Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix Face Unlock not working on your Lagenio Rhino 1 Pro. First, clean the front camera lens with a microfiber cloth. Next, re-register your face in Settings, go to Security and Privacy, Device Unlock, then Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Enter your password, select Face Unlock, delete the existing face model, and set it up again. Click Start and center your face in the middle of the frame. Once set up, ensure you have good lighting during both setup and use, as poor lighting can cause issues. Test it by locking the phone and using Face Unlock to confirm it works. If still not working, as a last resort, update your software. Go to System, System Updates, and check for updates. If your system isn't up to date, I recommend updating. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, any comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.